Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So what I'm gonna ask y'all to do first is hit that subscribe button right there. You see it? It's red. It's the brightest thing on the thing. Well, the white screen is, but that red button is calling your name. It's like subscribe to her, sis. Subscribe. But today, what the heck? Take 2,476. Action. So, hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Savannah J. And just welcome back. Just thank you for watching me. Thank you for just talking to me while listening to me. Does that make sense? Maybe. Alright, so today I'm gonna be doing an initial review on these two products. It's the Pixi products, of course. It's the hype, you feel me? The hype. It's like on the budget bougie makeup. You feel me? But this is definitely the Pixi by Petra Flawless and Poreless Primer right here. It's not, okay, whatever. Just look at this. There you go. And then the Makeup Fixing Mist, also by Pixi. And you're going to see me. I use it on my face today. Overall, right now, it feels really good. The application is good. This is probably like the fourth time that I've used it. Normally I deal with a lot of oil because I'm really oily, but hopefully this, it will save the day. It does what it says. It says the Jesus. The Flawless Poreless Primer says that it's a pore minimizing face primer, mattifying and hydrating. And all I did was apply it right here, like on my whatever, on the sides of my face, and then I put one on my forehead. And then this is the Makeup Fixing Mist. So it's with rose water and green tea, and you definitely do smell the rose water. It says it's an all-over setting mist, prolongs makeup wear, and keeps it from moving, melting, or setting into fine lines or pores. It comforts, protects, increases hydration, and balances skin for a fresh face. So you can use it before the makeup to extend your makeup wear, which I did not do. After makeup it sets the makeup and adds a soft focus finish, and it really does. Like, I just sprayed this on my face, and it's just, I was like, oh girl, you look cute, you look fine, and it also says anytime to refresh your makeup and to hydrate and balance. So I don't like doing that. Normally I use my handy dandy clear blue paper. Yeah, no, man, clean and clear blue paper. It's like a little sheet to remove oils. That's what I normally do to touch up my face, which is normal. But I'm gonna bring you guys along with me today. I have a few things to do, and a cis face can't be falling apart. Like, my face gotta stay firm. So let's just see how Pixi works out. So yes. So included in this why? What? It's not a picture. Included in this video, I'm gonna add a mini tutorial, not tutorial really, but just me applying the product. Alright, so finish the look. Look at that girl. Hold, give me like 2 seconds, okay? I'm gonna go throw a wig on, and I'm gonna let you guys know how I feel about this product right here. But this thing smells like, it's a baby lavender spray. I got it. It's a baby lavender spray, and it just smells like it. It's rose water, of course. So this is a makeup fixing mist with rose water and green tea, and it smells like rose water. I think that is what the smell is. It's like a rose. It's like a purple solution that they spray on babies, but it's rose water. But this thing smells so good. So it's paraben free, which is lit. And it's not tested on animals, so that's even better. It's even better. Normally the solution comes like the solutions on top. It's like half and half, like a thicker solution and then like the water like solution. So you shake it first and then you just spray it on your face, like just. So let's see how this lasts the rest of the day. This part is bothering me. Oh, in person looks okay, but alright, girl. Go throw this wig on real quick, girl.
3 hours later.
Alright, guys, look at my face. Wanna say hi? Okay, so it is currently 11:50, y'all. 11:50, and this is my face. I've been outside in the sun just for a little bit. It's a little, you know, it's not what is it called? Transferable? Well, not as much, just a little bit. But I'm just oily around my nose. But yeah, so this is the current update right now with the Pixi. My face feels okay. It's not as bad. I'm just oily right here on my nose, which is well, it's not needed. It always happens. But yeah, say hi to my sister, y'all. I'm forcing her to be on my page, but it's supposed to be a sister's YouTube channel, but she be neglecting me. You feel me? She be neglecting me, y'all. But yeah, so I'll see you guys soon. Oh, girl, my hair looking like it's melting and stuff. Who got a hair plug? She got a hair plug. And yeah, just stay tuned, sis. Pixie, how you doing? Where?